Hello, welcome to another episode of Carolyn and her clothes. Well, today I have a Stitch Fix. Everyone loves to see what I got in my Stitch Fix. Stitch Fix, if you don't know already, is an online styling service. They do have a store now called Freestyle, so if you do not want to buy a box styled by a stylist and prefer to shop for yourself, you can use the Freestyle app to purchase items. Or if you're like me and are addicted, you can order items from the Freestyle app and get a box in addition to what you're purchasing on the app. So my stylist is Shannon from Shannon Style. She is another YouTuber. So she kind of knows my style, but she is limited in her choices from the warehouse that I get shipped from. Probably about 2 fixes ago, I upped my dollar amounts. Or actually, did I up my dollar amounts? Maybe I kept my dollar amounts the same. But I definitely said I was interested in luxe items. And that switched my warehouse from Indianapolis or Pennsylvania. I was toggling back and forth to those. And now the last couple of fixes have come out of Dallas. And I have to say, so far I like the items from Dallas better. I think they tend to have newer inventory. All right, not necessarily this fix is going to reflect that, but I can tell you they definitely have different things that I don't always see. So in the preview, I chose 2 items, all right? So the stylist will send you a preview of 10 items, and I chose 2 out of the 10, and that left my stylist with 3 other items to choose for me. I have the Style Pass. I do not pay anything for my boxes. They come to me for free. Shipping is free. There's no obligation on my part to purchase anything. I just put them back in the prepaid mailer and either drop them off at the mailbox or put them out in my mailbox on the street, depending on what my items are. If you don't have the Style Pass, it's $20 per fix. So if you want, you can do it just once. You can schedule them to come every couple of weeks, every month, every other month, quarterly, etc. My husband and my daughter just did them my husband did it twice and my daughter did it once. And so they don't do it again. So there's no obligation. You're not hooked up into anything that's not refundable. So I would recommend it, give it a try. You get, I believe it's a $25 credit if you use my link or any other YouTuber's link. There's no harm in doing it, for your first fix. And if you don't like it, you don't do it again, like my husband and my daughter. All right, so today, first up, I'm going to show you the items that I got. And I actually asked my stylist to hurry up and send my fix because once I chose my items, these items went on sale in the Freestyle app. So I wanted to make sure I got the sale price. So the first thing that I got was this. Who is this by? This is Evolution by Cyrus. The Rooney cuff sleeve. Let me read it off of here because it's all cut off. The Rooney button cuff fitted rib pullover in white, size extra small. This is an exclusive to Stitch Fix. It's by Evolution by Cyrus. And it's just a thin rib sweater in like a slate blue gray or a darker gray, a lighter gray, a cream. And this is what's throwing me off. This color does not look anything like it did in the preview. It almost to me looked like a mauve in the preview, but now it's like a poopy brown. And I love brown, but this brown, I don't like this brown. This brown is not a chocolate brown. It's not a tan or camel or cognac. I would say this is a baby diarrhea brown. So I'm very disappointed, and obviously it's not my stylist's fault or anything. I picked it, and the color is just very deceiving. All right, it has buttons here on the cuff. They're faux buttons. It has a crew neck, and it is ribbed. And I will try it on so you can see how it fits on me, but I'm not interested in this sweater once I saw it. The color just does not look like it did online. Okay, the next one I have some hope on that I also picked in my preview is the French Connection Milla mock neck sweater. They're calling this off-white, again, extra small, and it's $128 because it's French Connection, which is a pricey brand. Okay, so it is a color block. It's like a lighter beige with a waffle texture in front, if you can see that, and just a plain fine knit in the sleeves. And it has some gray going down the sides and the sides of the arm. And it does have a mock neck, so for those that don't like higher necks, this is not for you, okay? I will try it on. It is cropped. It probably won't be cropped on me, and it is a little boxy, so we're going to have to see how it looks. All right, but I do like this one. Alrighty. Up next, I'll do this one, is the Daniel Rainn Ania V-neck cardigan in burnt orange, size extra small for $68, which is not a bad price for a Daniel Rainn sweater. I'm actually pretty impressed. This is a floral, and it's a typical button-down cardigan, okay? It has the cuff sleeve here, and I like this sweater. This is a cute sweater. My one concern about it, you know, and I will have to try it on, I have a feeling this might date me and make me look older. Something about it looks aging. So I will try it on and see how I like it, but I'm a little bit nervous about it, to be honest with you. All right. And honestly, $68 is not a bad price for that. Okay, up next, my stylist knows my wish list and what I'm looking for. So she found this color block cardigan for me. This is by Saltwater Luxe, and let me read the tag because it's cut off here. It is the Bijou balloon sleeve cardigan. They're calling this brown, size extra small. It's funny, they're calling it brown on the tag, but in here they're calling it purple. And it's $78, all right? Now that actually isn't a bad price for the quality of this cardigan, to be honest with you. So it has the balloon sleeves. It has the, you know, a mauve, like right here, a tan, and like a lighter mauve or dusty pink here, and dark gray. So lots of different colors. It's a nice cardigan. I just got a cardigan from the color block cardigan from Freestyle. And I think I just need one color block cardigan in my closet, and I think it's going to be that one. But I will try this on and see how it looks. Again, my one concern is I am quite short, and this looks pretty voluminous, so we'll see how this one fits me. Okay? And then next up, or last up, let's see, is... All right, you guys have seen this before, because I know I have. The Design History Carry Zipper Back Sweater in dark gray. So I do like a chevron pattern, okay? I do like the gray and the cream. As far as the sweater goes, it has the zip in the back, which is kind of odd to me, all right? It's okay, there's nothing wrong with it. This isn't saying pitter patter I should buy. You know, I didn't tell you the material of these items, so let's try and do that for you now if I can. Okay, so here's the material tag for this one. This is 40%, oops. I can't even read this. 10% viscose, 40%. Okay, sorry about this. Tag is impossible to read. 40% nylon, 10% viscose, 30% polyester. And I think that equals 100%. This is very difficult to read. It's made in China, and it's hand washed cold only, non-chlorine bleach, lay flat to dry. You know, it's a nice sweater, but I can tell you now, it doesn't like excite me. I don't care what the cost is. It's actually, it's on sale, $46.99. Again, not a bad price for a sweater, but if it doesn't ring my bell, it doesn't ring my bell, you know? All right, so that's that sweater. Let me tell you what the Saltwater Luxe is. Saltwater Luxe is 100% cotton, which is very nice. Hand wash, cold water. Non-chlorine bleach, lay flat to dry, low iron. Okay, so that's that one. And like I said, I think this is going to just be too sloppy looking on me, but we'll see. All right, the Daniel Rainn. Let's see what the Daniel Rainn is. Daniel Rainn, 80% viscose, 20% nylon. And the French Connection. Let's see. French Connection. 80% acrylic, 11% polyamide, 1% elastane. Okay, so I'm not too thrilled that it's acrylic, but no, we'll see. We'll see. We'll make a decision once I put it on and how it looks. And the Evolution by Cyrus, which I was so disappointed in that brown color. And I love brown. This is 50% rayon, 30% polyester, 20% nylon, hand wash separately, cold water. All right, give me a minute, I'll do a try on. Okay, up first is the Evolution by Cyrus sweater, which The sweater itself, I really do like. I think it fits well. I think the quality is there. The price is fantastic on it because it's on sale. I'm not fond of the crew neck. I've said that before. I will wear crew necks, but if I can avoid them, I do. You know, it has to be something really special for me to get a crew neck, or I must like the sweater a lot on me in order to get a crew neck, I guess is what I'm saying. And I don't like the poopy brown color. It did not look like this at all online. The color is just kind of, to me, throwing the whole sweater off, all right? I'll show you the back of it. All right, if you like this sweater and you know you want to get it, go for it. It is a lovely sweater. I can't say anything bad about the quality at all. It's very soft. I think it fits well. I think it's made well. The stripes on the sides seem to line up, right? Always very important. But yeah, it's just not doing it for me. All right, next sweater, just give me a minute. Okay, up next is the French Connection sweater, the most expensive thing in this box at $128. The sleeves fit well. It is a looser arm, which I don't know how I feel about, to be honest with you. I kind of almost feel like it feels sloppy on me. And this is what's going to be the deal breaker. It's cropped and it has these things on the side. So when I lift up, it goes quite high, and then you could even see, I think probably even see my bra here. That's because the slit's on the side. So for that reason, this is a no. You know, I do kind of like the style of the sweater. There's another one that I've seen on Stitch Fix. Of course, it's disappeared, and I think it's by Pink, P-I-N-Q-U-E. That was a lot cheaper. That was like a navy and gold color block, and I think I like that one better. So if that one comes back in stock, that one I may snag. But yeah, this, I mean, I liked it on the model, but on me, not so much. Like I said, the slits on the side are quite high and it's cropped. So when you lift your arms, you can see everything. And I am 5'2", all right? So just keep that in mind. If it's gonna be like this on me, it's gonna be like this on anybody else, okay? Here's the back of it. All right, and give me a minute, I'll put on the next sweater. Okay, next up is the Design History sweater. I would say this fits me quite well. Sleeves are a teeny bit long, but no big deal. I think it drapes nicely. It's a comfortable material. However, the zipper in the back makes it uncomfortable. You can feel it, and you can like almost feel the teeth on your skin, and it's cold, and yeah, it's just not a comfortable sweater. If you would wear something like this, you would have to wear a cami underneath. It's just not comfortable feeling that zipper on your back. So, and again, I mentioned it, this just wasn't floating my boat to begin with. There was nothing that was calling Carolyn. And I have like a chevron style sweater last year from Ever Eve that has tan and black in it, and I think I like that a lot still. So I don't think I need another one like that. All right, yeah, so here's the back of it again. All right, give me a minute, next sweater. Now I have on the Daniel Rainn sweater, and as I thought, this thing I kind of feel kinds of dates me. Something with it with the large floral, even though it's a V-neck, something about it, I don't know, screams older. I don't know, it's just not for me. It's not exactly pulling, but there's not, I guess it's all right if I were to keep it, but I'm not going to keep it anyway. I don't think it's quite pulling on me, but it's not as roomy in this area, I think, as I would like, because if I did do something like this, which, I mean, how often you do, it does pull a little bit. The back, I think, fits well. I don't feel it clinging on me, but maybe the camera will be lying to me. I think the length is good. The arms are good. I wouldn't want them any shorter or any longer. And the material is beautiful, very soft. Love the material of this. Highly recommend it if you like this sweater, but I just don't like this particular print on me. All right, last up is I have the colorblock cardigan. Give me a minute. Okay, up last is the Saltwater luxe cardigan, and unfortunately this is just way too big on me. I love a balloon sleeve, but this the size of this cardigan is just too big and it just looks sloppy on me. So I highly recommend it. It is in very nice material, and it was, I think, how much was this cardigan? $78, which for the quality of it, I don't think it's bad. It's 100% cotton. It is, I would say it's a medium weight. It's not a heavy weight, it's a medium weight. And you know, there's not much, I'll come closer so you can see, there's not like much openness within the weave, okay? So I don't think it would snag easily because it's a tighter weave. And it has some really pretty colors in it that I like a lot. And obviously it's long enough to wear with leggings if you desire. I just feel that this style cardigan just kind of overwhelms my frame and just makes me look sloppy. All right. Well, what do you think? Unfortunately, I think this one is going to be a bust, which is okay because I've been shopping quite a bit myself. I want to thank you again for returning subscribers. I appreciate your support. If you haven't subscribed yet, why not? What's holding you back? I'm free. Click that notification bell to get notified of future videos from me and give this video a thumbs up. Take care, and until next time.